So Gagan, how are things going for you at work?
After working in the logistics role for last 5 years, it seems that my career is not likely to grow much. Why do you think so? Because my manager thinks that I don't have necessary skills to grow further.
Don't worry Gagan. I know a career counselor who specializes in supply chain management. Let us meet him tomorrow.
Hello, Gagan. Neil explained to me about the career guidance that you need. Many early or mid-career professionals are facing the same situation.
So, what is your advice to overcome this hurdle, sir?
In order to grow your career, you need to move across various supply chain functions, such as logistics, planning, inventory management, sourcing, etc.
But I don't have knowledge or skills to handle these diverse roles.
Then, you must upgrade your knowledge and qualification by going for a world-class certification program in supply chain management.
Can you please guide me? Which certification program should I pursue?
I would recommend you to go for SC Pro Level 1 certification by Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals or CSCMP.
May I know how SC Pro certification will solve my career problem?
Let me explain the advantages of SC Pro certification. It is the only certification program that covers end-to-end supply chain management, structured in 8 learning blocks, that is, integrated supply chain management, demand and supply integration, inventory management, manufacturing and service operations, procurement and supply management, transport, warehouse, customer service management. It is the only certification that has 3 levels to take care of entire supply chain career. Level 1 helps you to build solid foundation of supply chain knowledge and concepts. Level 2 will help you to identify and solve problems in supply chain, using case studies. Level 3 will help you to transform supply chains, so that you can take up a supply chain leadership role. Finally, as CSCMP member you get free access to vast amount of research that CSCMP has been carrying out since 1963. This helps to widen your horizon beyond textbook knowledge. You can network with more than 6,000 CSCMP members across the globe. And you get handsome discount on your course fee and study material.
Thank you, sir. One last question. Where can I find more detailed information about SC Pro Level 1 certification?
You may visit the website skillsforcesupplychain.org and register your contact details. Their representative will contact you through email and help you with the certification process. Not just that, they will handhold and help you with understanding the course material better.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable advice. I will immediately register for the SC Pro Level 1 certificate.